everybody, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to the Dhamakedar, Faratedar and Mazdar session by Embibe. This is Pritesh, your host, your host and a proud educator, welcoming you to the ultimate biology quiz. Yes guys, today we are going to do a full syllabus quiz of your entire grade 10th syllabus. Today is the 8th of Feb. Exactly 24 days के बाद आपका ग्रेड 10th का फाइनल एग्जाम है साइंस का, जिसमें से बायो आने वाला है 30 मार्क्स के लिए. तो आज हम आपके बायो के सारे क्वेश्चंस, जो भी आपके 5 चैप्टर्स है, लाइफ प्रोसेस, हाउ डू ऑर्गेनिजम्स रिप्रोड्यूस, कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन, हेरिडिटी एंड एनवायरनमेंट, इन पांचों चैप्टर्स के हम क्वेश्चंस का एक क्विज करेंगे. So I want you guys to actively respond. I want you guys to quickly go and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do share this video with your friends and school WhatsApp groups. Let all of them come together and play this quiz. And guys, subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free of cost. Right? Hi Rudra, hi Arathi. Very good evening. Welcome to the session. Do visit our Embibe page whenever you get time because it gives you completely free access to test, assignment, study material, question, solution, explanation to solution, books, reference books, NCRTs. Very good evening, Ruponjana. केमॉन आचेन, है ना. रुद्रम, यहाँ पर आपको मुझे आंसर देना है एंड मैं आंसर सिलेक्ट करूंगा, ठीक है. ऑल्सो गाइज, I want you guys to connect with us on Telegram because here you get the updates of whatever is happening on the channel. You get the PDFs of the sessions and you also get a chance to get your doubts solved. तो इसलिए हमारे साथ PDF पे भी कनेक्ट कीजिए. And we are talking about a full syllabus quiz of your grade 10. So are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the quiz? Just tell me a yes or no in the chat. Rupanjana, Rudra and Arathi, are you guys ready for the quiz? This is going to be a full syllabus biothon on your grade 10 biology chapters. Are you ready? Ready? Okay, chaliye. So we are going to do a full syllabus quiz on your entire chapter. There are some very interesting 20 questions. Make sure that you answer with full josh, ठीक है, and as soon as possible. Question number 1. Identify the odd one in the following. So what is the odd one out? The odd one is you have got epidermal cells, guard cells, xylem and subsidiary cells. These are the 4 types of cells. You have to identify the odd one out. The hint given is that it is a part of the vascular structure. Super se bhi upar, easy. Very easy. Just tell me which is the odd one out. Arthi has given the answer as D, Rudra as C. What about Rupanjana? Rupanjana, what one do you think? C. Okay, Amrita, hi Amrita, welcome. You are also seeing xylem. So let's go with xylem and see. It is absolutely correct because epidermal cells, guard cells and subsidiary cells, they all are a part of the outermost lining. लेकिन अगर आप xylem की बात करें, so it is a part of the vascular tissue. It is a part of the vascular bundle, xylem and phloem. Xylem responsible for conduction of water and minerals, whereas phloem is responsible for conduction of food. Very good. So first one you have got it right. Let us look at the second question. Choose the correct path of urine in our body. What is the correct path of urine? From kidney to ureters, from ureters to urethra, from urethra to bladder, or kidney to bladder, bladder to urethra and urethra to ureters, or kidney to ureters, ureters to bladder, bladder to urethra, or bladder to kidney, kidney to ureter, ureter to urethra. Which one is the correct one? Come on, quick, feviquick. Chaliye, jaldi, which one is the correct one? C, Manvi, Nagu, hi Manvi. Okay, so you all are saying that C is the correct answer. Let me see, and you are absolutely correct. Excretion is the process of removal of metabolic waste from the body, right? Urine is formed in the kidneys. Hi Jimin, welcome to the session. Urine is formed in the kidney by the processes of ultrafiltration, selective reabsorption, etc. The urine is formed in the nephrons. In the nephrons you have Bowman's capsule, PCT, loop of Henle, DCT, collecting duct. The urine is collected in the ureters, given to the bladder, where the bladder stores the urine and the urethra will expel the urine out from the body. The urethra is slightly longer in males as compared to females. The renal artery brings the blood to the kidney where the blood is filtered, and the filtered blood is taken back to the heart by the renal vein. I am also going to give you little extra information around the topic so that you get a quick revision. If at any point of time you are not able to understand anything, please ask me in the chat. Chalo, moving on to the next question. Question number 3, absolutely free. Which of the following statement about autotrophs is incorrect? Incorrect. We have to find the odd one out. They make carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They store carbohydrates in the form of starch. They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates in the absence of sunlight, and they constitute the first trophic level in the food chains. Okay, so Rupanjana has already given the answer as C. What about Amrita, Jimin, Arathi, Nagu, Rudra? Rudra has also told C, Arathi has also told C, Nagu also C, Amrita also C. Very good. Jimin, Jimin आपका क्या जवाब है? जल्दी से बताइए. Quick, quick, very quick. Jimin. Manvi has also given as option C. Good, Manvi. What about Jimin? I'm waiting for your answer. I'll give you 10 more seconds. Quickly. Chaliye, quick, quick, very quick. So what is the difference between egestion and excretion? Very good. First of all, Rudra, your spellings, I'll tell you. So you all are telling the answer as C, which is absolutely correct. It is, why? Because यहाँ पर था absence of sunlight, but the correct answer is presence of sunlight. Now, egestion and excretion. So Rudra, your spelling, it is egestion. E-G-E. Yeah, ingestion, egestion. Okay, I'm not sure about this. Yeah, it is egestion, I think. Please help me with the spelling. And excretion. ठीक है? तो egestion is removal of undigested food from the alimentary canal. Excretion is removal of nitrogenous waste from the body. ठीक है? Hi Mr. Creative, it is egestion, correct ना? हाँ, मैंने पहले सही लिखा था. Hi Mr. Creative, ठीक है? Hi Madhvi, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you Manvi, thank you Madhvi for the spelling. ठीक है? चलिए, hi, thank you Arathi for the spelling. तो egestion, E-G-E-S-T-I-O-N and E-X-C-R-E-T-I-O-N. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? रुद्रा क्लियर हुआ कि इजेशन यानी कि अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड जब निकलता है बॉडी में से, इजेशन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. इजेशन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. एक्सक्रीशन इज अ सेपरेट मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस ऑल टुगेदर. ठीक है, चलिए अगला सवाल चलते हैं हम. द फैंटास्टिक 4 क्वेश्चन. हाय सुमन कुमार, during deficiency of oxygen in the tissues of humans, pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid in. So we know that when you are performing exercise, the body, instead of making carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy, it makes lactic acid and energy. Now this reaction of making pyruvic acid to lactic acid or pyruvate to lactic acid, it happens in the chloroplast, mitochondria, ribosomes या cytoplasm. Where does it happen? Suman is telling D, Amrita is telling D, then Nagu is saying A. ठीक है गाइज, जस्ट राइट योर आंसर वंस. एक ही बार लिख दीजिए तो मुझे पढ़ने में भी आसानी होगी. नागू इज सेइंग डी. व्हाट अबाउट अमृता, जिमिन, आरती, देन मानवी, माधवी, रघु, सुमन आई गॉट योर आंसर. रूपंजना, ओके. रुद्रा, सॉरी रुद्रा, नॉट रघु, रुद्रा. ठीक है, so all of you are saying the Amrita, all of you are saying D is the answer. Let us see, it is absolutely correct. In the cytoplasm, glucose is converted to pyruvate and pyruvate is converted to lactic acid. Due to lactic acid accumulation in the muscle cells, it causes muscle cramps. It causes muscle cramps. So muscle cramps happen because of lactic acid accumulation in the muscle cells, and this reaction takes place in the cytoplasm of your cells. ठीक है, चलिए अगला सवाल. द फेमस 5. चूज द ऑड वन फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गिविंग रीजन. So which is the odd one out? Is it conduction, translocation, transpiration or ascent of sap? We will see the hint. The hint tells us this process occurs through stomatal pores. Absolutely correct. Now very easy, very easy. Okay, Rudra is saying it is D, ascent of sap. Okay, what about others? Rupanjana is saying C, Amrita is saying D, Manvi is saying C. ठीक है, Arati C. So we have more for C than D. Nagu is saying C. ठीक है. What about others? Suman is saying D. ठीक है. तो मेरे पास ज्यादातर है C. Rudra is also saying C. Amrita is saying A. Okay. तो हमारे पास C, D and A में confusion है. Maximum of you are saying C. So if I go with the majority as C, the answer is correct. Now, why conduction, translocation या ascent of sap is not the answer? Because transpiration is the loss of water, whereas conduction, translocation and ascent of sap, they are the movements of water within the plant. So conduction, translocation and ascent of sap, it is within the plant, whereas transpiration is from the leaf. So ascent of sap, conduction and translocation, it all happens in the vascular bundle, lekin transpiration happens through the stomata on the leaf surface, and that is why this is wrong. Now guys, most of these questions are from NCERT exemplars. That's why I want you to pay full attention and answer with great concentration. ठीक है? Moving on to the next question, let us fix question number 6. How will you conclude that a nerve fiber is medulated nerve fiber and not a non-medulated one? So how will you say, yes, Rupanjana, translocation happens in the phloem, but even in phloem there is conduction of the sap, right? Now, how will you say that a nerve fiber is medulated and not a non-medulated? Is it because of the presence of medullary sheath? Is it because of the nodes of Ranvier? Is it because of the presence of internodes, or is it because all of these? Suman is saying A, Rudra is saying D. What about others? Nagu is saying D. What about Manvi, Madhvi, Arathi, Amrita? Okay, as of now we have got 2 for D and 1 for A. 2 for D and 1 for A, 3 for D and 1 for A, 2 for A and 3 for D. चलिए जल्दी 3 for D and 2 for A. What is the score? चलिए quick. Arathi, Amrita, Manvi, Jimin. Manvi is also saying A. So now we have got 3. Arathi, Nagu, what is translocation? Translocation is the movement of food from the phloem to the different parts of the plant. Sir, A में majority हो गई. चलो ठीक है. Rupanjana, you are also saying A. So let us go with A and check the answer. It is wrong. The answer will be D, all of these. Yes, Arathi, the answer will be D, all of these. Now why it will be D, all of these? It is because when a neuron, when will you call a neuron as medulated neuron? When you see that a neuron has got the nodes of Ranvier, when you see it has got a medulatory sheath, and when you see that it has got internodes, only then you will call it as a medulated neuron. Amrita, medulated neurons are neurons which are very fast in their conduction of impulse. See, this is a medulated neuron. See, these are the Schwann cells. This is the myelin sheath. It is a sheath of fat. It is a sheath of fat. ठीक है? The presence of all important structures such as nodes of Ranvier, medulatory sheath, internodes, blah blah blah, it is called as a medulated fiber. The difference between a medulated neuron and a non-medulated neuron is that medulated neurons are much more faster, they are much more efficient as compared to the non-medulated one. So all your important impulses are transmitted with the help of a medulated neuron. ठीक है? Neuron is the longest cell of the human body. It cannot divide because it doesn't have centrioles. ठीक है? चलो, Suman, I'll have to check that. I'll check that and get back to you in the next class. The next one, question number 7, directly from heaven. The substance that triggers the fall of mature leaves and fruits of plants is due to dash. Now we know about plant hormones. So which of these hormone will lead to the fall of dried leaves and fruits? auxin, gibberellins, abscisic acid or cytokinins. I can give you a hint, it is also called as the stress hormone. So all of you are hinting towards C. Let's see whether C is the correct answer or not. Chaliye, quick, Feviquick. All of you are saying C, abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is also called as the stress hormone or the growth inhibitor. It will lead to seed dormancy. It will also cause wilting of the leaves, falling of the leaves, and it will cause the falling of the fruits as well. ठीक है? Sir, can you reply, explain this question? Okay, hi pathshala.com, what is your question? Please tell me, I'll explain. So, gibberellins, cytokinins and auxins, they all are responsible for the growth. They all are responsible for the growth. Gibberellins is also responsible for ripening. Ethylene is also responsible for ripening, but abscisic acid has a opposite function. It is a growth inhibitor. ठीक है? pathshala.com, what is your question? Please ask, I'll respond. Then let us not get late because it is question number 8. A child is suffering from a disease which has stunted body size, mental backwardness. The doctor diagnosed that the child is suffering from dwarfism, gigantism, cretinism or myxedema. It is also known as congenital hypothyroidism. What is the answer? What is the answer? Rupanjana is saying dwarfism. Okay. It is stunted body size and mental backwardness. Mental backwardness. Don't just, sir, I have some problem in heredity chapter. Yes, please pathshala.com. Now guys, just don't answer based on stunted growth. Read mental backwardness also. It is something that does not let the person develop a complete mental ability. It is not just a physical hindrance, it also is affecting the mental development. So will it be dwarfism, gigantism, cretinism or myxedema? Think and answer. Come on. थोड़ा सा भले आप बेशक टाइम ले लीजिए पर सोच समझ के जवाब दीजिए. Rudra is saying D, Amrita is saying C, Rupanjana is saying C, Madhvi is saying C, Manvi is saying A. So we have got A, D, C. It is also called as congenital hypothyroidism. Chaliye, I'll give you 15 more seconds. Can you explain the laws of Mendel? Laws of inheritance, Mendel के जो laws हैं, laws of independent assortment, laws of segregation and law of dominance. तो law of dominance आपको ये बोलता है pathshala.com कि जब एक organism में आपको ट्रेट्स दिखाई देते हैं, उनमें एक डोमिनेंट होगा, एक रिसेसिव होगा. दैट इज द लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस. लॉ ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन आपको बताता है कि गैमेट फॉर्मेशन के समय जो गैमेट्स है वो सेपरेट हो जाते हैं, राइट? एंड ओके, योर नेम इज संतोष. एंड इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट आपको ये बताता है कि कौन सा ट्रेट डोमिनेंट होगा, कौन सा रिसेसिव होगा. इट इज नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनी फैक्टर. ठीक है, ये मैंने आपको सिंपल वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन किया. जब आप आपके मैंने एक सेशन किया है हेरिडिटी पर, इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स, उसमें मैंने ये तीनों लॉज डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किए हैं. इनको याद कैसे करना है मैंने वो भी बताया है. तो pathshala.com, संतोष, आप इसी चैनल जो एम्बाइब अचीव CBSE 9th-10th का चैनल है, इसमें जब आप जाओगे तो इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स बायोलॉजी के आप मेरे सेशन में देखोगे कि मैंने ये तीनों लॉज डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किए हैं और इनको कैसे याद रखना है ये भी बताया है. तो आप वो वीडियो देख लो, आपको आपके सवाल का जवाब मिल जाएगा. एज ऑफ नाउ मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. अगर आपको और भी कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज बताइए. हेरिडिटी का वन शॉट हो चुका है रूपांजना. So most of you are saying cretinism, which is correct answer. Cretinism होता है because of thyroxine deficiency in the body. That is why it is called congenital hypothyroidism. Thyroxine की deficiency because of iodine deficiency होती है, जिसमें the symptoms are reduced physical, mental and sexual growth. The child gets a mental backwardness and stunted body design. It is seen in children. Same hypothyroidism जब आप एडल्ट्स में देखते हैं तो वी कॉल इट एज सिंपल गोइटर. ठीक है, देन मूविंग ऑन, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. A doctor diagnosed that Ramesh was having high sugar level in his blood. His urine was found to contain sugar. The doctor informed Ramesh that his following endocrine gland is not functioning properly. तो जब शुगर है, डायबिटीज है, हाई अक्षांश, तो कौन सा एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है? पैनक्रियास, थायराइड ग्लैंड, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड या एड्रिनल ग्लैंड? Which gland is not working? Rupanjana has given the answer, Amrita has given the answer, Madhvi has given the answer. What about others? Rudra has given, Arathi, Manvi, Jimin, Nagu, Santosh. अक्षांश क्यों सॉरी क्यों बोल रहे हैं? ए, अच्छा ठीक है, संतोष ने भी जवाब दे दिया है. अक्षांश आपका क्या जवाब है? चलिए क्विक फेविक्विक. वेरी गुड. तो मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर सेइंग ए पैनक्रियाज. लेट अस सी. वेरी गुड. पैनक्रियाज में होते हैं आइलेट्स ऑफ, वेरी गुड मानवी, आइलेट्स ऑफ लैंगरहैंस हु आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सिक्रीटिंग your insulin, your glucocorticoids, sexocorticoids, all of those are secreted. Your calcitonin is also secreted by the pancreas. So pancreas are both endocrine and exocrine. They are the only glands which are both endocrine and exocrine in nature. ठीक है? So the answer to the question will be pancreas, and the hormone is insulin. Insulin is something that will convert, hi Khushi, very good evening, it will convert your glucose to glucagon when in excess. और जब आपके बॉडी में ग्लूकोज की कमी हो, the same glucagon will be converted to glucose. लेकिन जब इंसुलिन का सिक्रीशन बॉडी में नहीं हो पाता, तो ग्लूकोज कन्वर्जन टू ग्लूकागॉन नहीं हो पाता, तो बॉडी में ग्लूकोज बढ़ जाता है. द ग्लूकोज इज ट्रेस्ड इन द यूरिन एज वेल, एंड दैट इज व्हेन द पर्सन इज डायग्नोस्ड विद डायबिटीज मिलिटस. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट वन. Which among the following phytohormone is responsible in the growth of plant? The phytohormone, auxins, gibberellins, abscisic acid, या both A and B? Phytohormone, a hormone that works for the growth of the plant. Okay, Suman is saying D. रुद्रा इज सेइंग डी. सुमन प्लीज एक ही बार जवाब दीजिए बेटा, बस एक बार लिखिए. रूपांजना, मानवी, माधवी, आरती आप कहाँ हैं? संतोष आप कहाँ हैं? अमृता, खुशी, वेरी गुड. यस, पैंक्रियाज ऑल्सो सिक्रीट स्टैटोस्टैटिन. ओके, चलिए, तो सभी बोल रहे हैं डी, दैट इज बोथ ऑक्सिन्स एंड जिब्रेलिन्स. मैंने आपको बताया था दैट बोथ आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द growth. So auxins and gibberellins both are responsible for growth. Both hormones influence organogenesis, root initiation, sex expression, flowering, etc. Cytokinins help in cell division. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor. इसलिए वो जवाब नहीं होगा. So let us now see question number 11. The nervous system of mammals uses both electrical and chemical means to send signals via neurons. Which part of the neuron receives the impulse first? सबसे पहले impulse कौन receive करता है? Axon, dendron, nodes of Ranvier या neurilemma? Who receives the impulse first? चलिए, easy peasy Japanesey. B A B A B B. ठीक है, B. एक ही बार जवाब देना है. सुमन, माधवी बी, अमृता बी. व्हाट अबाउट मानवी, आरती, खुशी? बी डेंड्रॉन. वेरी गुड. एनीबडी जो बच गया है? हाय साहित्य मोहन, वेरी गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम टू द सेशन. साहित्य इज सेइंग ए एक्सॉन. ओके, संतोष इज सेइंग डेंड्रॉन. व्हाट अबाउट मानवी? आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. मानवी, रुद्रा, नागू. ओके, सो साहित्य इज सेइंग डी, न्यूरिलेमा. ठीक है, रुद्रा इज सेइंग बी. चलिए, तो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ यू आर सेइंग बी, विच इज द करेक्ट आंसर. इट इज द डेंड्रॉन. सो डेंड्रॉन विल रिसीव द इम्पल्स. सो डेंड्रॉन पे रिसीव होने के बाद वो जाएगा साइटॉन पे, साइटॉन से जाएगा एक्सॉन में, एक्सॉन से जाएगा एक्सॉन टर्मिनल, और यहां से वो जाएगा अगले न्यूरॉन तक. ठीक है, सो Dendrites are highly branched cytoplasmic projection. They reach the finest part of the body. They conduct nerve impulse. So they are the first one to receive the impulse. The point of contact between two neurons is called dash. The point of contact between two neurons is called dash. जल्दी से जो जवाब देगा उसे मिलेगा special round of applause. Neurilemma. Neurilemma is the cytoplasm of the neuron. जल्दी से. Very good रुद्रा, माधवी, अमृता. Very good. It is the synapse. Very good रूपांजना, अक्षांश, आरती. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. ठीक है. So ये रहा आपके, यहाँ पे होते हैं आपके ये nodes of Renwier. ठीक है. चलिए आगे बढ़ेंगे. अगला सवाल क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Choose the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement with respect to genetic variation. Which is the incorrect one? Genetic variation provides the raw material for evolutionary change. Genetic variation refers to diversity in gene frequency. Genetic variation in response to antiplatelet drugs appears to be most clinically relevant in patients treated with clopidogrel and none of the above. क्या है genetic variation से related incorrect statement? Okay, अक्षांश is saying C. ठीक है. हमारे पास है एक C, एक B, एक D, दो C. So 2 for C's. 2C, 3C, 4C. आदित्य वेलकम वेलकम वेलकम. क्योंकि मैं आपसे यहाँ मिलना चाहता था. आरती सी, अमृता. ठीक है. So most of you are saying C. Let us see whether it is the correct one or not. The answer is wrong. The answer will be none of the above. The answer will be none of the above. None of them are related to genetic variation. None of them are related to genetic variation. So it's sorry, all of them are actually related to genetic variation. So incorrect one hoga D, right? Genetic variation provides the raw material for evolutionary change. It is the diversity to gene frequency. It is also related to antiplatelet drugs in treating clopidogrel. New genetic variation can be created within genetic blah 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 blah. So if you see, all of these are related to genetic variations. All of these are related to genetic variations. ठीक है. Hi Ayush. Hi Ayush. Yes Rudra, you are right. You are right. ठीक है. You were absolutely right. Moving on to the question number 13. Very very interesting. If a tall pea plant is crossed with a pure dwarf plant, what is the percentage of F1 and F2? So here they are saying that we have got the parental generation to be TT and TT. When you cross them, the F1 and F2. F1 में how many tall and F2 में how many tall? Is it 70, 25, 25, 50, 50, 75, 100 or 100, 75? Okay. Rupanjana is saying D, whereas everyone else is saying B. Madhvi is saying D. Okay, 2 for D. Rest everyone is saying B. So I'll go with the majority. I'll go with the majority, and the majority is saying B, which is absolutely wrong. The answer will be D. The answer will be D. Right? The answer will be D. क्यों आंसर डी होगा? Yes अमृता, D इसलिए होगा. अब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. The answer will be D because the parental generation is TT and TT. When you cross them, you will get F1 to be TT. Right? All of them will be TT. So 100% of them will be tall. Now when you self F1, you will get F2 to be TT, TT, TT and TT, which is 3:1. यानी कि 75% tall and 25% dwarf, and that is why the answer will be D. समझ आया? क्रॉस मतलब उनका इंटरब्रीडिंग. ठीक है. क्रॉस मतलब उनका इंटरब्रीडिंग. कोई बात नहीं आदित्य, अब आप यहां पर हैं, अब आप यहां पर मुझसे पढ़िए, ठीक है? समझ आया वाई डी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? Everybody understood why D will be the correct answer? Any doubts over here? Please tell me now. कोई भी डाउट है तो अभी पूछ लीजिए, हेरिडिटी का क्वेश्चन है ये। ठीक है, ओके चलिए, सो लेट अस गो ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Assertion reason. Height in a pea plant is controlled by efficiency of enzymes and is thus genetically controlled. Cellular DNA is the information source for making proteins in the cell. Both are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Both are true. R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true. R is false. A is false. R is true. Very very easy. Okay, I shall explain it again. तो यहाँ पर हमें करना है assertion reason कि जो height है वो enzymes and genes से कंट्रोल होती है and cellular DNA is the information source for making proteins in the cell. जरूर जरूर आदित्य जरूर. ओके, सुमन इज सेइंग एज ए. ठीक है, साहित्य ए. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? कहां गए बाकी के सब? माधवी, मानवी, आरती, खुशी, रुद्रा, अमृता, अक्षांश. Okay, Rupanjana is saying B. Rest everyone is saying A. So let us, okay, Manvi is also saying B. Shilpi, hi Shilpi. Rudra is saying B. So we have got 3B and rest everyone is saying A. So let us go with majority, which is correct. Very good. The answer is both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now before that, let me explain you this question. So one of you wants me to re-explain this question, so I'll explain again. तो आदित्य, I think आपने पूछा था या आयुष आपने पूछा था, if a tall pea plant, तो ये रहा मेरे पास pure tall, is crossed with a pure dwarf, तो यानी कि ये हो गया pure dwarf. What percentage of F1 and F2, यानी कि ये हो गया मेरा पेरेंटल जनरेशन. तभी तो वो मुझसे पूछे ना कि F1 क्या होगा. तो F1 होगा तो हम इसके गैमेट्स ले लेंगे, इसके गैमेट्स होंगे T and T. तो ये जब एक दूसरे से क्रॉस करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा F1 टू बी हाइब्रिड टॉल. तो F1 में हमें जितने भी मिलेंगे दे ऑल विल बी हाइब्रिड टॉल, यानी कि दे ऑल विल बी 100% टॉल. तो ये तीनों ऑप्शंस उसी समय हमारे कैंसिल हो जाते हैं. लेकिन हम फिर भी F2 भी करेंगे तो हमें चाहिए, इसका आंसर है 75. तो अब मैं क्या करूंगा, अब मैं इसको यहां पर लिख लूंगा, F1 will be T. अब जब मैं इसका सेल्फिंग करूंगा T with T, तो मेरे पास है T and T. जब मैं इनका सेल्फिंग करता हूं तो मुझे मिलेगा F2 टू बी TT एंड TT, यानी कि ये तीनों है टॉल, ये है मेरा ड्वार्फ. ठीक है, ये है प्योर टॉल, ये है हाइब्रिड टॉल, ये है हाइब्रिड टॉल और ये है प्योर ड्वार्फ. ठीक है, पर आप देखोगे 75% टॉल है, 25% शॉर्ट है, इसलिए ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर है एंड दैट इज व्हाई डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है, यस सुमन, द फर्स्ट फिलियर जनरेशन विल बी 100% टॉल, यू आर राइट. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. सेक्स ऑफ द न्यूबॉर्न ह्यूमन बेबी डिपेंड्स ऑन X sperm of father, Y sperm of father, X ovum of mother or both A and B. On whom does the sex chromosome depend? On whom does the sex chromosome depend? Hello Vasundhara Devi. Is it on X of father, Y of father, X of mother or both A and B? 100% guaranteed question in the exam. 100% guaranteed. Okay. Shilpi saying B, rest others are saying Shilpi saying D, others are saying B. ठीक है. Amrita is also saying B. अक्षांश एक ही बार जवाब दीजिए प्लीज. खुशी is also saying D. ठीक है, मेजॉरिटी के साथ जाते हैं. मेजॉरिटी के साथ जाते हैं. आरती, वेर आर यू? मानवी, माधवी, नागू, द आंसर इज डी. क्योंकि अगर फादर का एक्स गया तो द चाइल्ड विल बी अ फीमेल, अगर फादर का वाई गया तो द चाइल्ड विल बी अ मेल. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन बोथ एक्स एंड वाई ऑफ फादर. हाउ? आई विल टेल यू. सो नाउ the father and the mother, the father can give either x or y, the mother can give only x. So if father's x mates with the mother's x, it will be a girl child, but if the father's y meets with the mother's x, it will be a boy child. So it depends on both x and y of father. ठीक है? Got it? Got it? चलिए, perfect. Moving on to the next question, question number 16. One of the following characters was not selected by Mendel for study. So Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting characters. Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting characters. Out of these, which was not in the 7? Height, seed shape, seed coat color या flower color. Which was them? Which was not in the 7? Okay, Arthi, Shilpi are saying as C, that is seed coat color. Amrita, Akshansh is also saying C. Rudra is saying D. Ayush is also saying D. ठीक है? Anybody else? Khushi is saying C. ठीक है? So maximum of you are saying C, even Rupanjana, which is absolutely correct. So what were the 7 characters that Mendel studied, 7 pairs of contrasting characters? It was, yeah, see, these were the 7 pairs of contrasting characters. Plant height, flower position, flower color, pod shape, seed color, seed shape. So pod color, pod shape, seed color, seed shape. Flower color, pod color. Flower position, plant height. So plant की height, flower का color, flower का position, pod का color, pod का shape, seed का color, seed का shape. Easy, easy, right? Seed color, seed shape, pod color, pod shape, flower color, flower position and plant height. So 7 pairs of contrasting characters Mendel studied. The seed coat color was not studied. ठीक है? Seed color was studied. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. अगला सवाल, question number 17. Which one of the following will not result in variations? Which of these will not result in variation? Independent assortment of genes, crossing over, linkage या mutation. Which of these will not result in variation? Very easy, बहुत ही easy common sense question है. बस ये difficult terms use करके आपको confuse करने की कोशिश की जा रही है, but it is super easy. Easy peasy Japanesey. चलिए, Akshan, Shilpi, they are saying D. Okay. Hi Amrita. Suman is saying B. Okay. Rudra is saying C. ठीक है. Khushi is also saying C. So now, as of now, we have got B, C and D. Manvi, Madhvi, Arathi, Nagu, Rupanjana is also saying C, linkage. Okay. Amrita is saying D. ठीक है. What about others? Ayush, Aditya. Okay, okay. Arathi, Manvi, Madhvi, Shilpi. Okay, Shreya is saying B. So I think we have got quite between B and C also. Chalo, I'll give you 10 more seconds. Aarti saying C. Okay. I'll tell you, Ayush, I'll tell you. ठीक है. So going with, most of you are saying a C, which is the correct answer. Linkage is the position. Linkage is the position, the way genes are located. Linkage describes the way in which two genes are located. They have nothing to do with variation. Linkage is just the way the genes are located. So where the genes are located, they are located at VG plus or PR plus. So all this is the linkage. ठीक है? चलिए. Next question, question number 18. A zygote which has got X chromosome from the father will develop into a boy, a girl, you cannot determine, or boy or girl. जिसको father से X मिला है, the one that has got X from the father will be a boy or a girl. X cannot determine, or it can be either boy or girl. Very easy, अभी करवाया था मैंने आपसे. X from father. X from father. चलिए quick. Very good. Very good. It will be a girl child because mother has X, father's X, mother's X, father X मिला के बनेगा XX, that is a female. चलिए. Next one, in rhizopus. Now rhizopus is a fungus. In rhizopus, the tubular thread-like structures bearing sporangia at their tips are called as filaments, hyphae, rhizoids, or roots. So you know the ones which have got sporangia at the top, these are called as filaments, hyphae, rhizoids, or roots. Easy. Okay. Most of you are saying as B. Okay. चलिए, what about others? Aarti, Manvi, Madhvi, Amrita, Suman, Santosh, Ayush, Khushi, Shilpi, Shreya. So all of you are saying B. Let's see whether B is correct or not. It is absolutely correct. It is the hyphae. It is also called as bread mold. Yes, Amrita, you're right. It is bread mold. It causes food poisoning. ठीक है, food spoiling. Next one, the question number 20. The microorganism which reproduces by multiple fission is the one which causes the disease known as dash. So it is something that undergoes multiple fission and it causes a disease. So multiple fission, kala azar, marasmus, malaria या amoebiasis. Which of these undergoes multiple fission? Multiple fission, okay. Okay, Arati saying malaria, rest you guys are saying kala azar, okay. Rudra, tell me the answer, A, B, C or D. Suman is saying C, Shilpi is saying A, Ayush is discussing farewell, Madhvi is saying A. Hi Anon, Anon is saying C. Rudra, plasmodium is not A, plasmodium is C. Okay. Sure, Rupanjana, are you sure? Chaliye. Going with A, it is wrong. The answer will be malaria. Why the answer will be malaria? It is because multiple fission is a process in which the nucleus divides several times. Plasmodium is the microorganism that reproduces by multiple fission, which causes the disease called malaria. This is the malarial plasmodium called Plasmodium vivax. Okay? And that is why it is malaria. It won't be kala azar. Then, question number 21. Select the non-biodegradable pollutants out of the following. Which of these is non-biodegradable? It does not decompose in the environment. Pesticide, heavy metal, radioactive, or all of these? Very, very simple. It is from the chapter Our Environment. Very easy. Very, very easy. Akshansh, give your answer only once. Chaliye. Very good. Yes, Anon. Hi, welcome to the channel. Okay, all of you are saying D. Without a doubt, it is all of the above. All of these are non-biodegradable. Whether it is plastic, metal, pesticides, heavy metals, radioactive, they all are non-biodegradable, causing pollution. Next one, groundwater will not be depleted due to not be depleted. Which of these will not cause a depletion of groundwater? ठीक है? Afforestation, thermal power plants, loss of forest and decreased rainfall, or cropping of high water demanding crops. Which of these will not cause groundwater depletion? Yes, Rupanjana, I will explain. Okay. Okay, so all of you are saying A, afforestation. Okay, it is correct. Afforestation is growing of plants in a new place. Now I hope you guys know the difference between afforestation and reforestation. Reforestation is where there was a forest, it has been cut down and you are again planting it. Afforestation is where there was never a forest and now you are planting it from the start. So there is a difference between afforestation and reforestation. ठीक है, चलिए. Disposable plastic plates should not be used because why should you not use one time use or disposable plastic plates? It is because they are lightweight, they are toxic, they are biodegradable or they are non-biodegradable. Very easy, super easy. चलिए, quick feviquick. बहुत ही आसान सा सवाल है जिसका आपको बहुत ही आसानी से जवाब देना है. Why should you not use disposable plastic? Bye Rudra, it was nice having you. Make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up before going. Without a doubt it is D because plastic is non-biodegradable. ठीक है, it is non-biodegradable. चलिए, next one. Chlorofluorocarbons. What do chlorofluorocarbons do? They cause depletion of ozone, global warming, both or none. Chlorofluorocarbons. Depletion of ozone, global warming, both or none. Akshansh is saying C. What about others? Shreya is saying A. Amrita is saying A. Somebody said C over there. I could not read. Okay. ठीक है, फाइन. माधवी, मानवी, आरती, दीपांशु. हाय दीपांशु. खुशी. ठीक है. So I think all of you are saying A. So let's go with A, which is absolutely wrong. The answer will be both. Yes. Kabir Bansal. Welcome to the session. It will be both because CFC causes both depletion as well as global warming. It is a global warming causative agent as well. So it not only causes depletion in the ozone layer, it is also responsible for contribution to global warming, and that is why both will be the correct answer. Please remember guys, hi welcome Saurabh, ये मिस्टेक्स एग्जाम में नहीं करनी है, यहाँ पर कर रहे हो चलेगा, आई एम करेक्टिंग यू, बट डोंट मेक दीज मिस्टेक्स इन योर फाइनल एग्जाम. एंड द फाइनल क्वेश्चन, which of the following does not undergo biological magnification? It does not undergo biological magnification. DDT, arsenic, domestic sewage or mercury. This particular element will not magnify at every tropic level 10 times. Is it DDT, arsenic, domestic sewage or mercury? Very easy, super easy. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Yes, Rupanjana, both are right. Global warming as well as ozone depletion. इसका जवाब दीजिए मुझे, which of these will not indulge in biomagnification? एडमिट कार्ड आज आपकी 15 से एग्जाम है ना, ऑब्वियसली आ ही गया होगा अभी तक. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर सेइंग डी ए सी. ठीक है, मेजॉरिटी अभी तक तो डी बोल रहा है. ए एंड डी दोनों तो नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, चलिए डी के साथ जाते हैं, जो है बिल्कुल गलत. डोमेस्टिक सीवेज गाइस, बायोलॉजिकल मैग्निफिकेशन यानी कि जो फूड चेन में एंटर होके हर ट्रॉपिक लेवल पे 10 टाइम्स मैग्नीफाई होके जाता है. लेकिन डोमेस्टिक सीवेज कैसे फूड चेन में एंटर करेगा, राइट? सो इट इज डोमेस्टिक सीवेज. Domestic sewage तो biodegradable है. Biomagnification is the gradual increase in the concentration of non-biodegradable elements in the tropic levels. Domestic sewage is biodegradable. It will not enter the food chain. It will not enter the food chain. Yes, Rupanjana, correct. ठीक है. Now, Rupanjana, you wanted an explanation of question number 14, so I'll do it for you. Okay. ओके तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने क्या बोला है कि द हाइट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय जीन्स. ठीक है, एंड डीएनए इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मेकिंग प्रोटीन्स एंड दे ओनली मैनिफेस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रेट्स इन द बॉडी. एंड इसलिए दिस इज द परफेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर दिस. हाइट इज अ ट्रेट. ठीक है, हाइट इज अ कैरेक्टर. टॉल और शॉर्ट इज अ ट्रेट. तो हाइट इज व्हाट? हाइट इज अ कैरेक्टर. characters are controlled by genes. Genes are made by the proteins. So that is why they both are correct. Got it, Rupanjana? समझ में आया? बुझेचीश की नाई? बोलो रूपांजना. चलो Bishon bhalo. Let's go in the end now. So that is why domestic sewage is not a biomagnification element. ठीक है? So guys, this was a very short, quick and a very nice revision of your entire syllabus of grade 10. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do share this video with your friends and school WhatsApp groups and subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. Do visit our Embibe page as well. It gives you free interactive learning and connect with us on Telegram as well. Okay? Thank you so much guys. All the best. Until we meet next, this is Pritesh, your host, your dose and a proud educator from Embibe. Signing off for now. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. And do not forget to keep imbibing because we believe in you.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.